Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Vibiemme Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work, starting by servicing the E61 group head. These are the little pieces that we had to remove and the ones that survived the installation. These are when we were doing when we were servicing the machine, and as you can see there's a lot of scale build up there was a lot of scale build up on the motion valve, and yeah, it was just bad. So we basically service all of these parts, make sure they're really clean, replace the parts that we need to replace, which are all these little ones, including the lever as well. And we replaced the pressure stat of the machine. The machine was overheating, the vacuum release valve, this one was not sitting the way it was supposed to in the boiler, and it was losing steam. And we also descaled it. As you saw, the motion valve, this one that you see right here, this is the motion valve, that one right there, was full of scale. The boiler was completely full of scale, and we basically had to run a lot of the scale through this machine to get everything out of it. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully we pick up the right grain size for this machine, otherwise we're gonna see real coffee or coffee barely dripping. Perfect. Going there and around 6 bars. Perfect, going to 10. A bit fast for what it is. Unfortunately, it's not the best shot I ever done, especially here on this channel. But as you can see, we can see some good crema coming out of the machine. Really thick crema. Yeah, I probably need to tamper a bit harder. Water flow of the machine, perfectly fine. Really good temperature. Back again. Let me swap this one for the blind filter so we can backflush it. Okay, blind filter is in there. Let me just increase the pressure of the group head. Perfect. No leaks coming out of the machine or anything like that. Not from here, from here, or anything. Flushing properly. We'll do that again. 10 bars, perfect. Perfect, good back flush. Again. Perfect. And now for the hot water. Wait, first the steam, because otherwise we're gonna remove the pressure from the boiler. First the steam, and as you can see, steam is powerful, working extremely well, excellent temperature. And hot water. Working extremely well. Excellent temperature as well. And there you have it, Vibiemme Espresso machine working once again. So thank you so much for buying Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.